Hey guys, welcome again to another video in our series of arms and hands. So I'm showing you this time how to do the figure eights with your arms, and you can do it with one arm or you can do it with both. So let's start with one because I think it's much easier and much more obvious. You can actually see the figure eight. So what I want you to think is the figure eight starts always to your left. So not to your left of your body, but I mean to the left of whatever arm you're using. So if you're using the right arm, it's going to be to the left. If you're using the left arm, it's going to be to the right. So opposite direction, basically, whatever arm you're using. So taking the right arm, we're going to the left first. You draw the first circle above your head, and then the second circle right in front of your chest. Okay, so follow that with just your finger and kind of get an idea of the direction first, and then you can use that with your arm. So first circle above your head, just a little bit above your head. Second circle is right here in front of your chest, and then start over. So basically the figure eight itself is actually parallel to your body. It's not to the side, it's parallel to your body. This is the number 8, it's standing right here in front of you, and you're just drawing it with your finger. So go to the left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. So that's what we're doing with the right arm, okay? Now how to use that with the hands and arms and make it look beautiful. So now you gotta soften those arms and hands. And the same rule always follows, which is when you lift your arms up, the hand will go down. So that's how we're going to start our first circle on top. So left, right, and as you go down, you push your palm to the left side, okay? So arm hangs down as you lift up, arm goes down, palm faces the left, this is the right palm, faces the left, and then you go down, 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 and then you lift up, and then again. Lift, arm, hand goes down, go down as the palm faces the left. So everything is towards the left when you use the right arm, basically. So what I mean by that is you use the right arm and then you start from the left side and then you go down and then your palm will face the left and then you go down. Don't overthink this stuff, by the way. I'm just trying to give you guys guidelines to see exactly what's going on here, but you don't need to be thinking about this stuff because it should be happening naturally. Okay? Now, same thing happens on the other side. Exactly the same way, except that everything is going to be the opposite direction. So because it's the left arm, we're going to start with the right side. So right side, as we go down, the palm faces the right side, and then another circle. Okay? And then again, the figure eight is right here in front of you. This movement is going to be much easier with your strong hands. If you're right-handed, it's going to be much easier to do this movement with your right hand than it is going to be with the left. But try to practice both. Okay, so that is what I like to call the figure eight here in front of you that's parallel to your body. You can draw, as I said, with one arm at a time, or you can also do it with both. And the way to do it with both is basically by crossing at some point. So what you do is you cross on top, it's much easier, and then you're going to make your way down. So you cross as you make the first circle on top of the figure eight, and then you cross again on the opposite down as you make the second circle. So same exact motion that we just did with one arm, okay, happens just at the same time. And in a way, it's much easier to do this with both arms than it is to do with one arm at a time. But it just makes it easy to see if you're a visual person when you use one arm. So again, cross on top, and then cross at the bottom. Cross on top, cross at the bottom. Cross top, cross bottom. And you can see it with my arms as I'm drawing for you. That's your figure eight. Okay, so a simple move, not very complicated. It could be for some, but it's not really complicated. So if you think it is, please try again, because you're gonna get it. All right. How to use this move? This move is used actually with a lot of different props. A lot of props are kind of more wavy, like the veils, the wings I use with this arm movements, but you can also use it with other things like the fan. Okay, fan veils. Okay, or you can just kind of use it to spice up your shimmy, okay, as you're like doing it nice and steady. You can just kind of try both arms, one on each side, okay? So try it, play with it, it's fun, it's easy, and it creates a certain variation, so it's not always like this, you know, when you're dancing. That's what we're trying to avoid, and that's why we're doing this series of videos of arms and hands. So make sure you check out the other videos in this series. I'll see you guys next time in another video. Keep on dancing. Lots of hugs to you, and lots of shimmies. Bye.